Hi, this is Tania and welcome to my channel Chef Tania's Rannaghar. Today I'm going to make Sabudana Tikki. This goes well on fasting days and veg days in a week. To make it healthy, I'm not going to deep fry, rather I will use only 2 or 3 spoons of oil in it. Let's soak the sabudana in water for 2 hours. After 2 hours of soaking, sabudana should be soft as shown in the video. Now let's take a boiled potato and mash it. After straining the water from the sabudana, add it into the mashed potato. Now add grated ginger, green chilies, chopped coconut, peanut powder and fresh coriander leaves. Now add a few masala such as salt, sugar, black salt, fried masala and at last but not the least add ghee in it. Now mix them well. If you love the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Now create the shape of tikki with the mixture. The details of making the shape are all shown in the video. Now let's take a frying pan and oil brush it. Place all the tikkis on the pan. Add some oil from the top. Flip to the other side when one side is done or light golden brown. After flipping, add ghee from the top. Do keep in mind that the flame should be medium to low. If the flame is high, it may tend to burn the tikki. After both sides are light golden brown, your tikkis are ready for serving.